Are you looking for the best tarpaulins in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best tarpaulins that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the ANSIO 2x3 heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin. One of those manufacturers who can be relied on to make all sorts of useful things for the home. ANSIO also makes some of the best affordable tarpaulins, designed with outdoor use in mind. Their 2x3 heavy-duty tarpaulin is just what you need for your next camping trip, with reinforced corners and a stealthy dark green color. This durable tarp will certainly protect against adverse weather conditions. What makes this a particularly useful tarp is that it's on the heavier end of the scale, coming in at 260 GSM. It's made from a polyethylene and polypropylene blend, ideal for durability and water resistance. The outside edges are doubled over and stitched with nylon thread, and you get rubber corner protectors for more peace of mind when tying down. It's one of the heavier duty tarps on my list, so it's perfect for windy gardens and rainy camping trips. Up next in the 4th place is the SolaDirect 3x3 heavy-duty tarpaulin. With everything from slippers to garden hoses in their inventory, SolaDirect know how to get your home and garden looking at their best. Their 3x3 meters square heavy-duty tarpaulin comes in a wide range of colors and weights, but the best tarp they make is the granite gray version. It's a light, durable tarp, but still does a good job at covering your outdoor gear. Made from polyethylene, it's a 200 GSM cover that is mold resistant as well as waterproof, so it's the ideal protection for your garden furniture or barbecue. You get aluminum eyelets spaced around the outside for tying it up too. This is one of the most affordable 3x3 tarps on the market, so I think it's well worth a try. The 3rd product on our list is the GardenMate 3x4 waterproof blue tarpaulin. The clue's in the name. If you're looking for a helping hand in your backyard, German brand GardenMate have got you covered. Their collection of hoses, fixings, tarps, and even garden ornaments is brilliant, as is their no-nonsense 3x4 waterproof blue tarp. Made out in that classic blue tarp color, it's the ideal lighter weight protection for your garden or your next camping trip in the woods. Constructed from a polyethylene and polypropylene blend, this woven tarp is actually double-sided, blue on the outside and green on the inside. You get aluminum eyelets and reinforced double material around the edges. The whole thing has been UV stabilized as well, so it won't fade in sunlight. It's a basic garden tarp that won't break the bank, but it's still strong and durable enough to keep your stuff safe. 2nd on our list is the Onarway 3x4 waterproof tarp. With a dazzling array of useful kit from collapsible dog bowls to magnetic learner driver plates, I'm a big fan of Onarway. Their 3x4 green tarp isn't the thickest on my list, but it's well made and ideal for all sorts of outdoor uses. The reinforced corners and dark green color make it one of the best camping tarps you can get right now. Made from 105 GSM 100% waterproof polyethylene, this tarp is green on the outside, so it'll blend in with your garden, but silver on the inside. You get reinforced corners, doubled up material around the perimeter, and aluminum eyelets to avoid nasty rust patches. If you want to cover up your log store, dog kennel, or a leaky shed roof, you can't go far wrong with this Onarway tarp. Finally, the top product on our list is the SolaDirect 4x4 reinforced mesh clear mono sheet, another quality tarp from the people at SolaDirect. This is a rather different beast from regularly woven tarps. This clear reinforced mono sheet is brilliant when you want to cover something up but don't want to block out all the light. Use it to cover an awning or to keep the weather out of a structure without losing the view. The construction of this tarp differs from other tarps on my list. Instead of woven strips of plastic, this is a single span of 100 GSM polyethylene that's reinforced by a fiber mesh. It means it's strong and durable but still almost completely transparent. And this one, at 4x4, is big enough to cover huge spans if you need it to. You won't be able to hide anything behind this sheet, but it's one of the best clear tarps you can get for the money.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.